All right, kiddies, the holidays may be over, but if you're looking to beat the January blues, what about a small, intimate dinner party?
I know, this sounds like such a good idea, but maybe if you're nervous about it or you're not sure what to do, Lorin Richardson went to a cooking school. She got some tips and tricks for us.
A comforting and hearty meal.
You want those wintertime tastes. You want the sage, you want the rosemary, you want the creaminess of a homemade mac and cheese.
Does this sound good or what? Christina Hart, owner and chef at Foodology Cooking School in Plantsville, says a winter dinner party can be a great way to get out of a winter rut.
Dinner parties are fabulous, and it's a great way to get together with friends and family and eat amazing food. The only thing is you don't want to be stuck in front of the stove while your guests are partying it up, right?
Any helpful tips? For one, she says prepare things ahead of time so you can mingle.
A great way to do a dinner party is to do something that you can do well in advance, such as prep a roast and just throw it in the oven, or maybe you're going to do a casserole. Crock pots are great for this time of year as well.
Keep it simple with your menu.
Pick a recipe that you think everyone's going to love, and that'll go a long way as well. It doesn't have to be super fancy.
You can also jazz up the place a little on a budget.
Instead of spending a lot of money on centerpieces, especially in the winter months, go out with some clippers and clip beautiful greens and berries and take those inside and create a centerpiece out of those.
Or just add a little ambience right at the table.
I love a nice setting, I do. If you were to ask my kids, I've got like 30 different types of plates and glasses and napkins and monograms and everything else. I think if you have the time and you want to put together just a beautiful table setting, it really adds to just heightens the dinner party.
Finally, Hart says, make it easy on yourself.
We want to make sure that we're serving something that maybe we can do in advance or stuff that's simple to put out. And then that way we get to spend our time enjoying our guests. And that's really what we're looking for.
So we went into the kitchen to start creating a fun recipe literally anyone, even me, can accomplish.
So this beautiful tray over here, I did in literally 15 minutes. Do you want to know how?
How?
Okay.
Tell me.
First and foremost, I love these. These are phyllo shells, and you can buy these in the freezer section of your local grocery store, and it's by the regular phyllo sheets. It's just the shells, they're pre-baked. So all we do is we line them up on a tray, and I like our trays to be sort of pretty, you know.
Well, this is beautiful, and you have four different
selections.
Ones. So explain each kind to me.
I will. Store-bought tzatziki, and we just went ahead and cut up some baby cucumber and threw that right on top.
Nice.
The one right next to that is a roasted pepper hummus. Again, you could make it, but we didn't. We got it out of a little container. And then we threw some nice roasted peppers right on top. Next to that, this is one of my faves. This is feta cheese. It is cream cheese, walnuts, and dried cranberries. And you just pulsate that a few times in your food processor.
Finally, a Greek yogurt, honey, and pistachio cup.
So let's actually fill the cups ourselves.
You got it.
And do that. It probably will take us like 2 seconds to do this. My aunt always said, don't be afraid of the phyllo.
No.
So she always said, don't be afraid of the phyllo. But like, I know it does, you're right, it is delicate, so you just do have to be careful with this.
Yeah.
But now the honey, do you just drizzle that on top?
Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and drizzle it on top. It's gonna sort of fall into the yogurt, and it's gonna disappear a bit.
Yeah, but this looks really great. It's a really easy, I feel like, way to entertain.
And then we just take some pistachios. If you don't like pistachios, you can really use any nuts. There we go.
It looks very appetizing.
Now the only crazy part about this is these are really sort of a one-biter.
Okay.
All right? And generally...
Well, I gotta try one.
Well, you do. All right. Well, thanks for coming out today.
Thank you for having me. I'm so excited to try this.
All right. And good luck.
Cheers.
With your next winter dinner party.
Oh, yum. Mm-hmm. That's really good.
See, I want a winter dinner party, but I want somebody to cater it.
Yeah.
I just want somebody to come in and do it all.
That's a whole different thing.
Oh, that's a different
But
story.
you know, you could go to a place like Whole Foods and they have it already made for you and just bring it home and warm it up.
All right, for more more fun, Foodology offers lots of classes you can do for any season of the year. So
You
check it
could
out.
do that, though.
I think I probably
You could do that.
Yeah, a little
and if you're
phyllo,
interested, it might be a great idea to do it with some girlfriends. Register online. It's first come, first serve. For more info, go to foodologylab.com. You could all go learn how to do it and then take turns throwing dinner parties.
I think that's a great idea.
Yeah.